Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is February the 27th, 2021. Here we are to give you all an update on a particular stock that is screaming sell and trying to give you all a heads up as to not get wrecked in this particular stock. But before I go into that, and before I go into our simulated portfolio, if this is your first time watching our videos and our clips, make sure, if you appreciate it, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe. You want to follow our plays, join us on our website at HueFinancial.com. That is where we place all of the free plays there. There is no cost to it. If you guys want to see what's going on, make sure you follow us there on our website, HueFinancial.com, to see where we're expecting the majority of stocks to go for free. So let's check this out real quick. This is our simulated portfolio. These are the stocks that we are tracking for the long term. Now, for the long term, this is our definition of long term. We're not talking about 5 years or 10 years. That's ridiculous. We're looking more or less along weekly to monthly time frames. Okay. We're looking for these stocks to move within a couple of weeks to a couple of months at best. These are the 6 of them that we are adding to our portfolio now. There are videos on these stocks. You could simply check them out on what we talked about as to why we added it to this portfolio. And then you all can see right now visually on the third column from the left that out of the 6 stocks, 5 of them are in the green. One is down 7%, but there are 3 out of the 5 that are up, that are in double digits. So pretty good so far. We'll talk about this more in depth tomorrow in our video. We're going to see whether or not we're going to take those double digits off the market and which one we will add to the portfolio to continue to grow and show you all that you can profit into the market. Simple. All right. So now this is the stock though that maybe it's time to sell. We're not here to tell you what to do, but rather look at the price chart from the trap perspective to see whether or not he is still weak, or when we see a reversal in the market go higher in price. This is the stock right here, CleanSpark. All right. Market has seen a very good movement to the upside. No doubt about it. Started about November of 2020 to where this market in CleanSpark shot higher in price. Excellent job. If you guys were down there at the bottom in position to capitalize on the market movement, excellent job for you. Now, obviously you can tell that we've seen some weakness enter in CleanSpark. Okay. First thing we're going to do is try to garner what is the trend as of this particular moment. Okay. So let's do this. Let's follow the market in CleanSpark right here. Okay, this is the trend that the market in CleanSpark currently is going through. You can see that right here on the daily time frame. We're going to hold that line there. We need to see that in expectation to see where we can see the market in CleanSpark come in and hold support, which is right here around $22. Keep your eyes open for that price level, because already the trap, the one that you see on the bottom left side of my screen, we're going to see whether or not he's willing to hold price right there at $22. Because if so, that would be the perfect entry point to expect the market in CleanSpark to go higher. I'm telling you that already. I'm giving you all the play right there. Okay. Now let's see if that is actually something that can happen though. 3-day time frame. Here we are. The market in CleanSpark is still garnering some weakness, right? Now, as I zoom out, you guys can even tell that $20 was a vital area of support. Now, I just want to show you, I'm not going to keep the line here, but I just want to show you that this area also could be support. So I'm looking at $22 to $20 as the area of support in the market for CleanSpark. That is where I'm expecting the trap to come in and prop up this price. What about 5-day time frame? So even here on the 5-day time frame, the market in CleanSpark is giving us some weakness. You can tell even here to where the market closed on Friday that this area is a support area. See, don't get it twisted. The trap always leaves breadcrumbs as to what is expected to happen. But look at what occurred into the market though around this $24 area. We're not seeing any strength on that particular line. That is why we're looking for $22 to even $20 to be support in this market. So Looking at these varying time frames, looking at the support areas that we just mentioned, would you be expecting the market in CleanSpark to go higher right now, or do you think we have a ways to go to the downside? Weekly time frame also gives us the same type of idea. We won't expect the market in CleanSpark to go higher in price until we see at least price come in and break above $32. So that's going to be our restriction area in our mind as to where we're expecting the market to go higher in price. Until we see price go up above $32, we're going to see this market continue to trade sideways, and the movement to the downside is still there. All right, so it's relatively simple, easy to see, easy to understand that we're going to play the weakness into the market in CleanSpark. Don't want to get wrecked. We need to get in a position to ensure that we are in position to capitalize on where we expect the market to go. So let's do this real quick. Like I said, we're going to expect the market in CleanSpark to go lower, and we're not going to expect price to go higher until we see it break up above $32, right? Now, $22 is going to be our initial area of TP, which is about 7.87% profitability. Pretty good profit, right? Because this is where the market will confirm if it's going to continue to trend. If we break $22, then we already know that $20 is going to be in the next area, which is around 17% movement to the downside. Easy. Now, I actually see up here for restriction that it could be around $30 as restriction as well, but $32 will really reclaim that the market in CleanSpark is giving us more momentum and strength. All right, so definitely as we go into early next week in trading, keep our eyes open on this ascending line that got drawn, because if we hold strength on this line, you best believe the market is going to continue to go higher in price. If we break it, $20 is going to be tried as support. That's it. We're in position. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rid of this line here. We know that that area is going to be maintained at support, and we're going to follow the overall trend. Okay, definitely this is going to be our focal area right here that we need to watch the market. If we see weakness there, we're going to go lower. If we see strength here, we're going to go higher. So be on the lookout. We got y'all in position. This is our thought. This is our premise, our expectations of what we're expecting the trap to do. Now it's your turn. Where do you all expect the market in CleanSpark to go? Let's not make it confusing either. Simply tell us where you are in position, where you are expecting the market to go, and where would you take the lick. That's it. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain on profitability, and we'll talk on the next one.